Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.12.4. So go to any browser and type Python and click on welcome to python.org. Now click on downloads. Once you click on downloads, just go down and looking for a specific release, and from here look for 3.12.4. You can see Python 3.12.4. Just click on Python 3.12.4. Now just go down until you see files. Now click on Windows Installer 64-bit. Just tick both the boxes and then click on Customize Installation. Then click on Next and then click on Install. Now click on Close. Now open the command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, just type Python space -- version and press enter. You are going to see your Python version 3.12.4. So in this way you can download and install Python 3.12.4. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.